Hey guys, a very quick unboxing and review of a new product from Husky, rechargeable Swivel-Head flashlight. It's 750 lumens. The model number is 1008456359. Now this is a new product from Husky. You can find it in Home Depot. The good thing about it is, first of all, it is a timeless design. This design you can always hang on your shirt, on your jacket or whatever, facing forward. It's a swivel head. It has magnetic backing here. The other thing is it has a spare battery. It's a USB chargeable, all Husky products. It comes with lifetime warranty. The lifetime warranty itself is not on the battery, but on the overall light. I really like the design because the design is, see, it can immediately turn into just a regular flashlight and 90-degree flashlight. So it is something that I really wanted for quite a long time. You can find here and there, you know, flashlights at about this, but not every so often, tell the truth. So this comes, as you see, with a spare AAA brace. Let's see what's inside. So it's a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, USB-C. Now you can get those pretty cheap. I'd say pretty cheap. At least I've seen a dozen places, and I haven't read, you know, I haven't searched, tell the truth, extensively, but you can definitely find, you know, this size battery online. So mind you, this is where I stand. It's a very well lit place. I'm standing around close to 8,000 lumens, so that's why it may seem a little bit underpowered, but believe me, it is not. It is a blinding light. Very strong, high discharge LED. Let me try to zoom that in. Yep, high discharge LED. The actual body is aluminum, so it serves as a heatsink too. So it is a good product. Can be used in a variety of different functions. I really like I really like that it has 6 modes total. Sometimes I don't need like a strong light, and can go easy on the batteries. Like this is almost like a night glow, and that's exactly what I need most of the time. So definitely gives you the ability to manage your power consumption. 750 lumens turbo 1000 max lumens, 60 hours of runtime, special functions. A good product. I would say it's a very good product. I really like this. I really like this brace because I have a lot of those. I have a lot of rechargeable AAA batteries that I can use for that. So it's a nice feature that they have this. I really wanted them to have a separate battery, but hey, it is $25 light, and I believe it is a very good deal right now at Home Depot. Thank you so much for watching.